What's up, YouTube? This your boy Military Mopar Madness. I've been getting a lot of questions on how much I paid for the scat. How was I able to get it at my age, 22 years old? So not gonna beat around the bush with y'all. I'm gonna keep it straightforward and everything. But if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? If you're not subscribed, tell me what the deal is. What's up? What's wrong? But anyway, I'm about to get straight to the point. So this is the 2020 Dodge truck, the scatpack. It's the base scat. As you can see, it doesn't have a sunroof. I don't have the 6-piston Brembos. I have the 4-piston Brembos, but I have the same performance suspension that the higher end ones have. Go to the inside. I have cloth seats. I don't have the leather seats with the Alcantara in the middle, but I'm gonna upgrade to those soon. I have the 8.4 screen, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? Since we in here, might as well give y'all a cold start, right? Not a cold start, but yeah, a cold start. I also had halogen bulbs, but I upgraded those, as you already know. So let me go ahead on and start this baby up for y'all right quick. Then we'll start looking at the sticker price and talk about what I'm paying, etc. There y'all go. If my Uconnect had connected and stopped the video, but I'm back. This rain keep dirtying up my damn car, bro. That's how it sound, y'all. Now everybody get in there and start talking about the price. I gotta stay consistent with these videos, man. Gotta keep the subscribers and that watch time coming in. Alright, bet. So let's go on ahead and get in here right quick. We're at 625 miles. I got everything now. So this is it, y'all. Sticker right here. So this is the base price. It was over the base price because these are the extra things that came with it. But these are all the basic stuff on it, Go down slow so y'all can see everything. Telling y'all, man, I even seen 5.7s that was 40,000. Like, their base price was 36,000, but they had options. They got them up to 40,000. Me, I don't really too much care for options, I do want the leather seats though. My last car had a sunroof, so I'm not really tripping. See, got Wi-Fi too. See, got GPS navigation. That was an extra 1,000, so I got navigation in here. Cyrus, XM, yep, Uconnect. And I added that extra to give me to 42K. I got bumper to bumper and gap, but yeah, this is just the other stuff. Then I'm gonna start telling y'all about what I paid. How was I able to do it? So, all right, y'all seen the sticker price. So, I'm in the military, I've been in the Army for over 2 years now, and I've been saving, I saved about 10,000. Saved up about 10,000 in my savings account, but my credit score is 759, and I used to have a 2013 Dodge Avenger, right? So I wanted to go trade the car in, and then I owed 7,500 on that Avenger, right? I wanted to go trade it in, and they only gave me 4,000 for it. So I had to pay the negative equity out, so I wouldn't have negative equity on my car. So as you can see, the base price on this is $42,095. So I got the military discount. The state tax, I didn't have to pay that. The sales tax, I didn't have to pay that. That was like 2,000 off, plus the power dollars and the other stuff they had. So it kind of went down to about 35-ish, but it ended up going back to 37 because I put bumper to bumper and gap. So I paid $37,500 for the car. I financed for 72 months with a 4.5 interest rate. So I'm only paying about 500 and, I believe it's like 540, 550, something like that. My insurance is like $200 a month. So really and truly, I'm only paying about $250 more on this car than I was on my Avenger. But you know, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a sub. I mean, I pretty much showed y'all everything. Like, you just got cloth seats, no sunroof. It's just a base scat pack, you know what I'm saying? I got heated seats and stuff like that, you know. I got, you know, the U-Connect, the other stuff, you know. I got the drive modes. I got, you know, track mode, you know, driving modes. I got all the modes on here and stuff like that. I don't need a taser because it's a 2020. But yeah, you know, if y'all enjoy, go on and subscribe, man. You know, y'all really, you know, missing out. I gotta wipe this out. I don't know how the sticky stuff get in here. But yeah, I gotta clean the car up. But yeah, y'all. But that's gonna be it. You know, make sure you leave a sub. And your boy Military and Mopar Madness is out. I hope y'all have an outstanding weekend. You watch this video from the beginning to the end. You know, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? That means you want to see me win. You're not just clicking my video and leaving like most. But even the ones that just doing that, I love y'all too. Your boy Military and Mopar Madness is out and about.